Hey guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we're having a whole lot of fun getting ready for Earth Day. So my friend Carmela and I, we created egg heads. We can't wait to show you how to do these. We got everything we needed right at the Price Chopper Market 32 near us, and so can you. We found some great colorful marker options. We found seeds. Of course, we bought our eggs, and we found some plastic cups and spoons. All right. Here's how you can make your egg heads at home. We took the eggs that we were going to bake with, we tapped it lightly around the bowl, and then we pulled off the top and poured out the eggs so we could use that for a baking activity. We saved the shell. We created some really fun and colorful faces on them. I just did a rainbow of faces. Carmela got a whole lot more creative than I did. Then we filled our eggs with dirt, added some seeds, tucked them into the dirt, and then watered them. Guys, don't forget to water your egg heads daily and keep them in a sunny window. And then when you're done and they start to grow, you can plant these into a larger planter container or into your garden. The shell will actually help to feed your plants. I grew cucumbers. What did you grow in yours? Lettuce. All right, guys. Stay tuned at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we have more great activities and recipes coming your way soon.